So Ravenna has got now towers, look. These are the religious towers of Ravenna. The modern day religious towers for your apps, maps, APIs, Googles, TikToks, Baidu, Facebook, Z, X. All the old towers that are leaning now, leaning towers with the bricks that was built to last for almost millennia and beyond. I'll show those things. They're still standing, but they're being ignored by the youngsters. They have no interest because these are the ones that are going up and up above those. Piazza John F. Kennedy. It's very poignant, isn't it? Towers of the future, or the towers of the present time. The original towers, I would say. The real towers. Those are the real towers. The religious order that stood in this country and this land, from faraway land to further and beyond the land. These are the new modern day culture of Ravenna, the new mosaics of the new minds, so-called the educated mind. We've given them so much education. These are the real Ravenna. There we go, there's a few more. These are the new modern day mosaics. They call it graffiti, art, street wall art. Or should I say, the new art of the modern century, standing with the towers that are keeping your entertainment and your games ticking and clicking. Yes. And these towers are now being ignored. They have no interest anymore of the future, the old history. These towers are now crumbling, whilst those towers are rising and sending you electric pulses and electric shock for your system to behave in ways that you might need serious attention in the future, generations to come.